Bro, come Jack Worth. Because of this stupid fucking bullshit, I'm stuck on Bay Ridge Parkway through fucking
That's Bay Ridge Avenue, not Parkway. This is Bay Ridge Avenue.
A minivan is destroyed every time I move up stuck. Tell them to come down here now and make something.
The whole machine sliding.
Yeah.
Maybe don't play with the cars, man. You guys are driving around.
They were outside 7 o'clock Sunday morning. They were out 7 o'clock Sunday morning.
Bullshit.
No bullshit. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Because I work with you. Bullshit. There is. Everybody was out holiday shopping. They all came back the same time. This guy's been here 2 fucking days. That's what everyone is saying. 2 days. You want this to get by here with a car? How's he supposed to get by? How's he supposed to get by? Seven guys plowing this guy out.
Sunday morning, they could have been doing all this.
Couldn't do it. The guys were all blocking after midnight. Where were you Sunday midnight?
I was all over here plowing out
You
cars.
were jerking off.
Yeah, that's it. To your face, jackass.
Bullshit. Don't tell
Plowing
me.
cars and ambulances.
Who was that? That black car's been there since midnight Sunday. No one moved that car.
I'm the one who moved it yesterday.
Yeah, and where is it? It's still there.
It is.
And it's still there.
I was there for 36 hours.
Get the house! Get the house!
Guy's doing his job.
No!
Yeah, take pictures. Yeah, take pictures. Fucking moron.
Get the truck, Momo!
Yeah.